will show you super quick how to change the background color to transparent in Procreate Dreams. You can download this file by following the instruction in the description box below. So over here, we're inside a Procreate Dreams movie, and we want to tap on the time code on the left and tap on the third option, which is background color. And then you can change your background color, but over here, you can just tap on the transparent. Ta-da! I hope this is helpful. I will see you in the next video.